Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your professional networking game stronger. Today, we're tackling something simple yet super impactful: how to bold text on the LinkedIn app in 2025. Whether you're crafting a post, comment, or message, bolding text can help your words pop and grab attention in a sea of updates. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the LinkedIn app installed on your phone. LinkedIn has been updating its features, so updates are key for this to work smoothly. Once you're all set, open the app and head to the area where you want to create your content. Could be a new post, a comment on a feed, or even a direct message. Now, for the fun part: bolding text. In 2025, LinkedIn supports easy text formatting using Markdown. To bold your text, simply wrap the words you want to emphasize with 2 asterisks on each side. For example, if you type asterisk "this is bold asterisk," it will appear as "this is bold" once posted. That's it, no complicated menus or buttons required. Let me walk you through a quick example. Say you're writing a post about your latest achievement. Type something like, "I'm excited to share my new role asterisk as a marketing lead asterisk at XYZ company." When you hit post, as a marketing lead will stand out in bold. One tip to remember: make sure you're using the mobile app for this, as the web version might handle formatting differently. Also, double-check your text before posting to avoid any typos. Nothing ruins a bold statement like a mistake. If you're new to Markdown, it's a lightweight way to format text, and LinkedIn makes it user-friendly. There you have it. Bolding text on LinkedIn is easier than ever in 2025. Give it a try on your next update and see how it boosts your engagement. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.